Hi guys, don't miss this video because today's video is going to be very beneficial for you. In this video, I will teach you best technique of rear hug lock. And if you want to learn properly, then you don't have to skip any part of this video. You also have to try this technique and let us know if it works or not. So let's start the technique. If someone grab you from the behind very tightly like this, then what should you do? And you can't even move your arms and he lift you up, then how to defend yourself? When he lift you up, then first of all twist your body like this. Now step number 2, you will grab your hand with the other hand and push down your arms like this. Here you have two options, you have push him back or throw him forward. It depends whether he is pulling you back or pushing you forward. Guys, now we show you this technique from the other side because you may not have understood something correctly from the front side. So we show you from this side. Okay, let's start. When he grab you like this very tightly and when he lift you up like this, then twist your body and grab your hand with the other hand and pull your arm down like this, then throw him forward as you can see, and you can also punch on it. Guys, now we will show you this technique fast motion, how it will work. Guys, one thing you can see in this technique, when you pull your arm downward, then his grip will be loose. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please let us know in comment box it will work or not to try to this technique. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to learn more interesting videos and techniques. Thank you.